Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a word problem, and it's actually a word problem about fractions. That's from MA 1005 Module 1, which is elementary algebra. For our example, we're going to say that you have 4/7 of a cake left after your sister's birthday party. You convinced your sister to take a third home, so how much do you have left? Let's start with the strategy. To figure out what we have left, we need to look at what we started with, and then we're going to subtract how much we give away. We know we started with 4/7 of the cake. We gave away a third of 4/7. We're not giving a third of the cake away, we're giving away a third of 4/7. We need to subtract these two numbers. The first thing I want to do is multiply 1/3 times 4/7. 1 times 4 gives me 4, 3 times 7 gives me 21. Now that I have 4/7 minus 4 over 21, I need to get a common denominator. I'm going to multiply the 4 over 7 by 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is equal to 1, so I haven't changed the value of the fraction, but multiplying by 3 gives me 3 times 7, which is 21, and then both fractions will have the same denominator. When I multiply 3 by 4, I get 12. 3 times 7 is 21. Now that I have 12 over 21 minus 4 over 21, I can subtract to get 8 over 21, which tells us how much cake we have. If you're still getting the hang of fractions and you need a little bit of help, you can always use your calculator. I'll show you in Desmos. If I do 4 divided by 7 minus 1/3 times 4 divided by 7, it starts by giving me a decimal, but I click the box over box, and it tells me I have 8 over 21. So you might want to try doing things by hand and then checking it in Desmos, or you can go right to Desmos to do your work. When you're doing the homework, you may get a different scenario. It might not be cake, but the problems are all going to be similar. To solve, you're going to find the original fraction minus the fraction you're giving away times the original fraction. All of your answers should be positive, and they should be less than what you started with originally. Your answers should be entered as fractions and not decimals when you're doing the homework in Mobius.